To update from Windows 10 to 11, visit the official Microsoft website and search for Windows 11. From this point, browse until you find Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO for 64 devices. Then, choose the option Select Download Windows Multi Edition. From there, go to Download, and after validating your request, you'll be prompted to select a language. Choose your preferred language, for my case, English UK. Then from there, you can confirm, and after validation of this request, you'll see option 64-bit, and then by clicking this, Windows 11 ISO file will start downloading. In just 10 or 20 minutes, the file will be ready. You'll also need another software known as Rufus, which will enable to format your USB disk to make it bootable with Windows 11. Download the latest version of Rufus software, and for my case, I'll download Rufus 4.5, version 4.5 executable file. Save it, and then after that, now you can visit your downloads and run Rufus as administrator, as shown on your screen. From the application window you can see on the screen, the next thing is you are supposed to select your Windows 11 file which you have already downloaded, and mine is in the software folder. Select it. Then from there you are supposed to choose in between partition schemes, MBR or GPT. MBR is if you are creating a bootable USB disk for old devices, but GPT for new devices. I'm going with GPT. Then from there, you can optionally rename the bootable disk for ease identification. For mine, I'll call it Windows 11 bootable or Windows 11 USB. From this case, now you're supposed to set the file system to NTFS, that is, New Technology File System. Then from there, now you can start. From the application window, perform the configuration as shown, like bypassing CPU and memory check if your PC doesn't meet specifications. After this process, now you can click OK to start formatting and copying the files on the flash disk. So in a matter of less than 15 minutes, your USB will be ready as a bootable disk, and you'll be able to install Windows in any computer. In case you don't know how to install, please check the first comment. There is a link showing a link directing you to a video on how to install Windows using a bootable USB device. You may also need Office 2021 in your computer. In this case, I have attached a link just below the video description showing you how to install Windows Office 2021. Otherwise, this marks the end of our video. If this is your first time, hit the subscribe button. I'll appreciate your comments and even your likes. Goodbye for now.